Hey, Eric, it's Hatfield. Hey, I'm not going to be able to make it today. I actually just got arrested. I'm headed to the station. I'm going to try to bond out.
Alright, what for?
I guess battery.
Okay. What do you need from me?
I don't know if I need you to come down and help me out or what.
You just keep me posted. That's all you need to do. It was within 24 hours, right?
I'm in their car right now. They're doing me a solid. Let me call you. I don't have any numbers written down, and my son's at home too.
Alright, tell
You're on speaker.
officer to call. They can call me anytime because I need to make notifications, so they can call me when you're processed or whatever.
Okay.
Thank you.
You'll be back. Thanks.
Alright, thank you.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning, Carol. I need a super big favor from you.
Okay.
Jasmine and I got into an argument outside the gym. They're arresting me for battery. Yeah, my son's at home with his friend and the puppy. Can you just help me, please?
Absolutely. Tell me what you want.
I guess just take care of him, make sure he's okay.
Okay.
I'm not sure. I'm going to try to bond out. I don't know how long that's going to take, but that explains my disappearance.
Okay. Okay. So you will tell me what you want to do. You want me to go to your house?
Yeah, if you could just go down there and I guess so, yeah. I'm in the back of the car. They're letting me make a phone call right now.
Okay, no problem. I'll go down there now and take care of him.
Okay.
Yeah. So when you get to the jail, they're gonna let you use your phone to get any numbers you need and all that. And,
Okay.
you know, if you need to call somebody.
How does the bail thing work with the bond? Like, how do you, is there something that's recommended?
I'm not sure. When we get there, I'm not sure what charges have preset bonds and what don't.
Okay.
I mean, so when you get to the jail, you can talk to the jail staff, ask them what charges have.
Right.
You know, if you're charged, I'm just gonna get you a simple battery, man. I'm not gonna go domestic. I'm not gonna get crazy with it. I'm just gonna charge you a simple battery. Battery touch strike. That's pretty much it, man. That's all I got on my end, anyway. Like I said, you can talk to the jail staff, ask them what the bond is, or if there is a bond for your charge. If there isn't, you just have to see a judge. They're doing court today at 1:30, so I'm gonna try to get you down there, try to get a report knocked out quickly, so you can see a judge. All right, brother.